Alrighty, what's up guys? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a main menu in Roblox Studio. Alright, so let's get into this. So, if you've seen my past couple of videos, I've taught the basics of variables and stuff like that. This is going to be actually used a lot in today's tutorial, so I do recommend watching the previous videos to get the hang of it. But let's get into this. So, first thing you want to do, you'll see this part right here. Workspace, players, lighting, and all this stuff. I want you to scroll down until you find this thing that says Starter GUI. Click the plus icon, then click Screen GUI. I've already got one right here. All this does is basically make a menu for the players to see. Like all the game passes that are on the side, or the play, like shop and stuff that you see in games. This is what that's going to be. So, Starter GUI, I renamed mine to main, like main menu. Then go in here, okay? I'm going to make a text button, and I'm going to place it directly in the center. Roblox Studio will have these green lights to show you that you're directly in the center. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and add a local script. Alright, just click on the plus icon of the text button, and then create a local script. I'm going to name this, alright, Start Game. That's what I'm going to name the script. I'm going to rename the button Play. Now, just so I can give you a quick overview of what everything does in the button, if you go down here, you'll see, like, you can change the color. Like, I'm going to set this to green. You'll also see stuff where you can change the border size. You can also change it to visible or non-visible. And we've got where we can change the text down here. So I'm going to set mine to play, but you can set to whatever you want. Then I'm going to change the size of the text right here. And if you're having a hard time finding anything, where it says filter properties, I can write text size, and it should pop right up. So if you're ever having a hard time finding something, just look at the name of it on this side, and then type it in. Alright, let's get back to scripting. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is local button equals script.parent. All this does is reference the button that we placed in the script. Well, the button that's the parent of the script. Now, button dot mouse one click connect function. Alright, so all this does right here is basically just make the mouse when we click the button, it does a function where we're gonna make it do this. Script.parent.visible equals false. Now, if you want to actually add a couple things, you can do a wait 0.1 seconds, and before that, what you can do is button dot background color 3 equals color 3 from RGB red. Now, also, you don't have to do all this. You can just come here, or just to simplify it, we'll do button.visible equals false. Just makes it look more clean. Now, when we play the game, you'll notice there's a play button. When we click it, it turns red and it disappears. Now, you might be wondering, all that really does is put a button on our screen. How do we make this more advanced? If you'd like to make it a little more advanced, what you can do is do local player equals game.localPlayer, okay? Now, player dot player dot I gotta try and get the humanoid. Equals 0. No. Player.box being equals 16. Now, what this should do is it should make it where you why is it glitching? Maybe I think it's because I need to capitalize the S. Sometimes it does that. You'll make a script and it messes up because capitalization. I wonder why it's doing this. Well, let's go ahead and set this to PLR dot here PLR local humanoid equals player.character dot wait for humanoid there. Now this should work. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna go over to the player right here. Go to character walk speed, set it to 0. Now this should fix it. Unable to move. Then we hit play and we're able to move. Alright. So now that I fixed up the script, this is a good representation of when you make an error while coding. I forgot that I couldn't access the humanoid by doing local player. So what we have to do here is there. You have to go local humanoid equals player dot character wait for child humanoid. All this does is basically say, hey, humanoid is all the variables like health, walk speed, jump height, and all that good stuff in the player. So all we're doing is setting it to 0 in the starter player. Go over here and the starter player menu should be below starter GUI. Search up walk, character walk speed will pop up. Set that to 0, and now when you start the game, you're unable to move. Now, as you can see, I can't move, and I'm trying to get around and stuff. But then I'm like, oh, let me hit the play button, and now I'm able to walk around and play the game. So yeah, that's a simple, you know, main menu play button. If you guys want me to add more stuff to the main menu in the future, like and subscribe, and please let me know down in the comments if I can improve my videos in any which way. But I'll put the script up one more time for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Alright, bye.